Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 38 Enrollment Database Table Model and Controller create in Laravel 12. And this is a tuition classes in Laravel 12 and this is my official website. Any doubt, so please contact www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is a official website and this is my WhatsApp and call number. Contact for website related services +9 19941599815. Anytime contact. This 24/7 service every day is available. Let's start this. This is the table is available enrollment. This is first of all enrollment ID, student ID, class ID, in enrollment date, and this is the type is available. This is all available. And first of all, this is my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL. This is already started and this is already run localhost PHP. My admin inside this is a new database. Inside this database, inside this new table is a create. And this is my project is available. Inside this enrollment number is available. This menu is already implement previous all video check step by step, otherwise lost of doubt your mind. And this is not your mind is clear. First of all, this is a previous all video check. After this video is start. This enrollment ID inside this is available. This is a number is the student ID. The student ID is available. This student table. Okay, this is a student table. Click the student. This is a student. Please wait. This is a load data. This is a student ID means student name is a implementation. Second is available class ID. This is a class ID means this is ID. This is a class. Class means subject name is available. And this is inside this available student. This is a student table. And student table inside this ID is available. Please wait. This is ID is a implementation. And this is a class ID is available. This is a class table. This is ID is a implementation. And this my project is available. Gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project is already run inside. This is a run localhost Laravel_12. All good. Let's new table is a create table name is a click this new and enrollment table name. Table name is available enrollments table. The same name is a copy and paste here. This is a name, enrollments name. First is the enrollment ID. Second is the implementation. This is a student. This student is this student. The same name is please wait. This is a close student. Only one. This is a one student. Student's ID. This is a table name is a student ID. Second is available class ID. Third is available enrollment date. The same is a date. And this is a varchar. Date means this date filter is available. Date not a varchar. This is a date. And this is a to field is a implementation created date. Inside this by default is available. Let's click this, and inside this available click created date. And this is updated. Update date is a set. Successfully all set. This is the by default Laravel. And this is the date and time is a set. Date and time. Null 11. Same name 11. And this is a 11. All good. And primary key auto increment select and AI means auto increment select and save the button. Click the save successfully working fine. This is a new enrollments is a successfully table is a create. Click this table, and this is a student id class, enrollment date created and updated, and this structure, click this. This is a table is a create. Same here, table is a create, but this field is a 2 is a by default is a Laravel is available. Let's table is a create, but table after this is a table is a successfully create, database table is create. After new model is a create. This is a app http controller. This is a model inside. This is a model name is a enrollment model. Let's new enrollment models PSP. Successfully this is a model is a create, and this is a class. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a model is a created, and this close, this start inside this close, and the same name is a rename copy this name and paste here. Successfully this model inside this is a table name is a this table name is a environment table. This table is available. Same name copy and paste here. Working fine. This table is successfully created. Let's next is a this is a next is a controller create. This is a controller. Same name is a controller. So, but inside this app inside this is a new controller is a create. Same name is a copy. New file controller PSP. Successfully create. This is a controller this create. Same name dashboard controller. Inside this same copy and paste here. Wait, this copy and paste here. Copy and paste here, and this is a name is a select enrollment name. Same name copy and paste here. Successfully fine. This is a good working. This is a successfully controller is a create. This working fine. This controller is a create. Or first of all table, second model, third is a controller is a create. This controller is a successfully create, but inside this is a new use app model and enrollment tab. This is a model is a copy and paste here. Save file. Successfully paste here. Let's inside this public function index echo www.error solution code.com. Save file and die. Successfully set. Let's this same name copy route inside this web.php open. Inside this is a use app http controller and this model. All good. Let's same name is a copy. Inside this is a route get and this is a close this enrollment controller class, and this is the index. Save file. Successfully file save, but inside this super admin slash this is the enrollment list. Successfully list is a create. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. Let's refresh this page, but enrollment number is this is a click. This is not working. Let's this sidebar is a implementation resource view admin layout in sidebar is successfully open. Inside this is available enrollment. Let's step by step implementation URL, and this is a name is a this name is a copy and paste here. paste here, and this is a name is a active, name is a set, this is the same name is a active menu link, and this name is a enrollment. Successfully save file and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. Let's click this, and this is a successfully show. First of all, this route after this is a implementation inside, and this is already include inside this included, and inside this is the index function is a run. This is the index function, and this index function inside this created, this create index fund. Okay, successfully good working. Let's return view super admin dot environment dot list. Save file. Let's copy this name. Folder is a create. Successfully enrollment folder is a create. Inside this list file is a create. Let's list file blade.php. Successfully create, but inside this implementation, this is a action bar is a this start, open and paste here, and this is the end section. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. Let's click this, and this is a click this, working fine, all good. This is a enrollment list is available. Inside this next video is a new implementation. This is a database field is a implementation. This is a record is a enrollment table. This close, and this is the environment table. Inside this is the implementation record, new implementation. This is all done. Please write down, this is all successfully done. Web.php, and this sidebar, and this is a dashboard is not used. Please write down. And this is the any doubt, so please contact this. My contact form is available via RL12 24/7 errorsolution.com. And this my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link. Inside this is a lot of video is available. This please check. This was step by step video, and this first video is all video is available. This is already uploaded. 37 video is already uploaded, and this video is 38 number video is created. This 38. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.